What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fishing 864 with your boy P Rabbit. I'm here today with the Catfish King himself. All right, so we in where'd you say? Lando in Richburg, South Carolina. He knows this little honey hole here. So this is gonna be like an ultralight stealth fishing, creek fishing adventure. So you guys stay tuned for the ride, guys. And there's like this old abandoned smokestacks thing there. We're gonna explore that separately. Stay tuned.
I got them ones we was using.
Alright, guys, we're here at the spot. This is what it looks like. This is pretty damn awesome, Jim, I must say. It's gonna be a trout magnet Bobby Garland day. So we're just gonna get the ultralight rig set up. There's all kind of deep holes here. There's some here. I believe I see some fish doing their thing there. This is gonna be, it's gonna be a good little spot, I think. I think we're gonna be able to do some good creek fishing. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, guys, I also got this my mystery tackle box, the panfish and trout fishing kit, box number 239. I got this for my birthday, so we might crack this thing open here in a little while, see if we can at least catch one fish with something inside this box. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put on one of these Carl's Amazing Baits. It came in Jim's panfish box. One of these little swim baits here, little trout magnet type deals. We're gonna get it rigged up. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, let's see what happens here.
Turtle over here.
Are they? It's a wonderful day out here for some good old creek fishing. Figured it'd be held up right in here, guys. Got the old dock runner out there. We're gonna see if we can't find something, guys. Yeah. guy. Jim's got a little red belly. Oh, that sucker's. He's a colorful little fella.
Got an orange fin.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. The camera's probably not doing it. Oh, what? That is? Oh, dude, yes, I can see that real good. That's pretty cool. Jim's over there hammering them. They must be starting to bite. He done caught one, had a little bass. Oh man, I'm hung. And I'm not. Y'all smash that like button because I am literally balancing myself here for you guys. So smash that like button if you like my content. If not, it's not. Wow, I threw the snout out of that one. That actually went across the world. Alright guys, so we walked up the little creek. We'll see what happens here. Maybe it's a rock? Yeah, that's a rock I'm hitting. Yeah, that's rock. Yeah. Little yellow jacket. You did me the same way. 4 or 5 times. Oh, I had something. He hammered it. I think. Because it's like a doo-doo-doo-doo-doo type deal. Huh? Oh yeah. That's what we gotta do. We gotta walk this thing and find the spots. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a little bass. Every damn time, guys. Every time. Look, look. That's what you want to put in your tank.
Yeah.
Look at him.
You got nothing to put him in.
That's a little largemouth.
Oh, he's trying to take my finger. Thumbs is a little bit too big for you, bud.
That's awesome. That is just super cool. Get bigger, buddy. Damn. Oh, wow. This is amazing, bro. Live a little. Live a little. Look here, guys. I am literally on top of a dam doing some ratchet ass shit. Whew. This is awesome. I'm gonna throw it under that little right there. See what happens.
Way down there.
Oh wow, dude, this is how you find holes.
Right there used to be location.
Yeah.
Right there. That used to be like covered with like a coat of moss.
This?
You could get on there and slide down into that pool down there.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, there.
See, if you don't live a little, you wouldn't know this shit exists, bro. I see a hole I'm going to throw in. Stay tuned, guys. Smash that like button. We're on a dam. I might die. See ya. Oh, bro. Oh. Fish at 864. I never get this lucky. What is all in this, behind this dam, guys? Let's see. Surely there's something in here that's hungry. There's just all, dude, this was like, wow. This is absolutely amazing.
This is crazy low. Crazy low.
So is this like a, I mean, is there a hydro? I mean, what's up with this? I mean, why is there just a random dam just chilling?
There's a plant right up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. My bad. Wow. Guys, smash that like button. You guys know I don't like water and I don't like heights, but this is for YouTube. Oh man, look, dude, this right here. Let's see if it's cast over there. Oh man, I should have brought a big rod, guys. Oh, I bet I could have did some work right here with a damn something. Look how this tree, guys, is just growing in this dam. Amazing. Look at here, guys. The tree is literally just growing in the dam. This has probably been like that for a good 20 years, I'd say. Look at here, guys. Live a little. Live a little. It looks deeper than
See that ladder hanging off there?
Yeah, right here?
No.
Oh yeah, over there.
The water used to be that high.
Wow. There should be something in here, guys. And this is what we live for right here. Fishing 864. My viewers, you guys have been dying for this type shit. Literally, I could do a whole video here. Yeah. I mean, that's... Oh, shit. Yo, boy, smash it. Smash the shit out of it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's fishing adventure. I'm going to wrap this video up at this location. I'm going to wrap it up right now because I already have a lot of footage from today. So this particular video, if you hadn't already, make sure you hit that like button, give me a like, leave a comment. If you guys know any awesome places around South Carolina to camp or fish, leave a comment down below. That's Catfish King. We're going to load all this up and we're going to hit another hole, but that's going to be a whole different separate video. Till next time, fishing 864. Keep those lips a ripping. Peace.